So as the title and the thumbnail didn't already give it away, we're working on my brother's Jetta today, and we're gonna be putting a hood stack on it.
What are you doing?
Nothing. So all the old exhaust is out. Downpipe's off. Now the difficult part is going to be making a new downpipe.
Up pipe.
I guess up pipe. Yeah. It's a little too dark in there for you to see. So yeah, the outlet of the turbo is right above the axle here, so we gotta do a real tight U-bend back here behind the turbo and then up through that little hole over there. Oh, you guys have seen all this stuff before. Cut, check, Sharpie, weld. If you want to learn more about making downpipes, check my other video right up here.
Nice plug.